While these grants alleviate financial burdens, remember to consider any stipulations that are attached, such as maintaining home ownership post-repair. With diligence and preparation, homeowners can access valuable resources to effectively address their home repair needs. Private and nonprofit grants offer a lifeline to homeowners seeking assistance with home repairs. Contrary to popular belief, these grants provide tangible solutions to the age-old question: are there free grants for home repairs? Unlike government-funded initiatives, private and nonprofit grants are often backed by corporate sponsors or charitable organizations. These entities recognize the importance of supporting homeowners in need and contribute resources to addressing critical repair needs. These grants can cover repairs from essential maintenance to significant renovations, depending on the funding source's priorities and objectives.